Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this week's episode I'm going to be priming the roof as well as the bonnet and the little guards. I don't know if you can see them from here or not, the bits that connect the windscreen to the back section of the cab. And then I'm going to be chucking them on the car as well as giving you a bit of an update on the motor. So with that out of the way, let's just get straight into it. Alrighty, so I just finished priming the bonnet and the inside of the roof. The bonnet came out mint and it seems to look really good all the way around. As well as I primed the little strips that go between the windshield and the back section of the cab, like above the doors. And then I started priming the roof, so I primed underneath it and then I started priming the top, but I noticed as I was painting it, I don't know if you can see too well there, but there's all these little bumps and stuff. And the same thing happened on the back here where the primer didn't stick to the roof. So I think there might be, I don't know what this is, but there's like this little black stuff on there. And that stuff I think is what's stopping it from grabbing to the roof. So tomorrow I'm gonna keep sanding that and I'll sand it all back and do it again. I'm not happy with that. I'm not gonna leave it peeling and that, so. But everything else seemed to turn out alright. There's a few more little spots there where it didn't stick too good, but other than that, it's alright. Okay, so now I'm going to give you a bit of an update on the motor. We've got the whole distributor back on the motor, or the mechanic has, and he's replaced all the points inside of it and put all the spark plug leads back on, as well as painting up some of the studs and all the rest of the nuts and bolts and things for the rest of it. But other than that, the motor's pretty much done. He has now got my gearbox and things and he's working over with that to make sure that's all good and in nice condition, as well as he's got the flywheel and clutch, I believe, and he's had a look at them, and I think they've been remachined recently, so that's good. But yeah, other than that, that's about it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. See ya.